We have our GE electronic water heaters. Again, you'll hear the real capacity and maximum performance and leading warranty story with these units. We offer these in 50, 40, and 30-gallon true capacity sizes, tall and short, and a 10 or 12-year warranty level. On our 10-year electronic models, we offer two 5,500-watt copper heating elements, and you'll see a glass-filled nylon drain valve. On our 12-year electronic models, we offer two 5,500-watt stainless steel heating elements and a brass drain valve. Powered by SmartHQ, these have built-in Wi-Fi, so homeowners can program their water heaters to work to their needs in the home. We have normal and vacation mode settings. They can adjust temperatures. They'll receive notifications when it's time to service their anode rod, and they can schedule on their app. This is a 10-year model, so you'll see a glass-filled nylon drain valve, and our 12-year electronic models come with a brass drain valve, all with a leading warranty.